Hello, let me show you my latest addition. I saw somebody had one of these on a Facebook forum, but theirs didn't have the windows in it. It was just a solid white one. And I looked it up online to find it, and I said, okay, that's not bad. It was like $35. But then I saw the one with the windows. It was like $15 more, so I thought, hey, for $15, it's worth it. So let me show you what it is, and we're gonna put it on the van and see how it looks. I haven't opened the package yet, so it's all going to be new to me here too. Let's see, that looks like a cut right there, a cut right here. Okay, so we got that. Oh boy. And let me close this knife so nobody gets hurt. Okay. Well, it comes in a little pouch. If it's anything like those first aid kits that you get from the military, once you open it up, you never get it back in the pouch. But we're gonna try anyway. So here it is, and let's see. Okay, I was looking to see if there was any instructions, and I don't see any instructions, but it's probably pretty simple. It's like a big tent. Okay. I am going to assume that that is the middle of it. From the picture I saw, it goes under the windshield wipers. So I'll pull the wipers up, and there's a spike inside.
We have the air conditioning on this one.
Yeah.
You can probably tell from
the noise.
Slight noise that it makes. Not bad, just slight. I like that it's noisier outside than it is inside. That way people know that you have air conditioning on and your dog's not suffering.
Yeah. Okay.
Do I need to put the camera and help
Yep,
me?
let's see.
This is a one-man job.
I'm hoping it's a one-man job. If Deb was helping me do this, it'd be a lot easier, but I just want to see if one person can do it. So these straps, I would say, go under the mirror like that. So we're getting closer. Okay, now let's go back to the other side. I've never done it before, so it's all new. But it looks like it's got a pocket right here to catch the doors. So, and a magnet here. So I'm gonna open the door up, and let's just see. Go on that side over there. I think I might need some help.
Okay, we're gonna put the camera down for a minute.
Yeah. Okay, so it took two people to do it because it's a learning experience. But what we did was we opened the door like this and disconnected this right here. We opened the door and there's a little flap right here. We put that over the door top like this, pulled that down, and shut the door. So that was done there. And while Deb was doing that, I had the other side lifted off the windshield so we had more room. And once that was done, I came over to this side and I lifted it up higher, which gave me more slack. I put that one on. Opened the door and attached it. So now we're going to Velcro it down. Like this. And okay. This rolls down like that. Just give you a window screen. And then you can also roll this up, it looks like. You just roll it up and attach it like that. Front one too. Right there, like that. So you can do that, and then you have a screened window. For the front, it does the same thing, where you can pull this down. It doesn't like having the doors open when it's attached, because the door gets so wide. So there's a piece of Velcro right up here. Did I mention it's hot in Georgia? Okay. So now we can pull this down. Let me pull these down too. There we go. Okay, so now you can roll this down.
Actually, it can protect your hood. You could just leave it down.
Yeah, you could. Or you can roll it up. And then Velcro it. It also makes it harder to see inside. But let's go ahead and put it up as designed. So I'm going to take it like this. I just wish it was a little longer. It'd be nicer if it came down lower.
This light can come up from under there.
Yeah. It would be nicer if it came down to here at least. Let's go inside and take a look and see. Maybe. No, it doesn't come down any further.
No, because it sits over the door.
Okay, well, I know it's kind of early to come up with my thoughts on this, but it's okay. It's a little tough to put on by yourself. With two people, it's not too bad. I would like it if these side panels were longer, but for the purpose that I bought this, it's gonna be okay. What we bought it for is not when we're traveling, because when we're traveling, we mostly stay at Walmarts and camp Cracker Barrels and stuff like that. So in those situations, I like to be able to, if something happens and I need to leave in a hurry, I can just reach up, pull a front windshield screen down that we normally have up here, pull the side doors off if we do that, and drive away. With something like this, I would have to actually get out of the car. I could just rip this front thing down and the side panels down, but if I drove off, it'd probably flip back up and block the windshield. So this is mostly just for parking. So while the RV's parked at the house here, this will help protect the dash from getting beat with the sun, so ultraviolet. So for parking at the house, or when we are in campgrounds where we're going to stay a couple of days or so, where it's just a normal campground, this would be okay. But we mostly travel, so this is going to be used mostly at home, and sometimes we're still going to always be using our other stuff. But it's also just another layer of heat blocking, because if I put up my normal windshield screen, okay, so with my normal windshield screen, the sun comes through the glass and heats this up, and that means the heat's already inside the RV. It's still being blocked, but this way it's blocking the outside of the glass. And let's see, like right now, the dash was sitting outside. It's 95 degrees right there, and this says it's 95, so 93 there. So basically, I'm still 90 plus degrees coming through there. So even in a campground, we're still going to go ahead and put this up, because that will block out even more. So any heat is going to be first heat up the outside. It's not going to come through so much. Any heat that does come through, this will kind of block it and keep it from coming here. And I can't really take a temperature reading right now because this is just put up, like this is 86 degrees, because that's what it's inside the RV.
It was in the back of the van, so it's cooler.
It's cooler, but it's pretty hot. But see, that's 91, 94. This little center section, wow, 90, 101. It was really hot right there in the sun because it's raised, but it was getting more sun. But so this is what it looks like with that. I'll put my side panels up, and sitting at the house, it'll be like this. So my thoughts again on the Adco 2525. It's okay. I wish it was a little bit longer, and for the purpose that I have, it's probably going to work out okay. Was it worth the $60 that I spent? That's including shipping and tax. Probably. So if it helps keep the dash from cracking, that's well worth $60. So, well, thanks for watching, and if you have any questions about the anything in the beyond, let me know. And I got some stickers too. If you want a sticker, just let me know and I'll mail you one. Well, thanks for watching again. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.